Hello, and thank you guys so much for tuning in today to the channel. This is Sonia. So I'm doing some spring cleaning, and I thought that I would take you guys along with me while I try out a new cleaner that's coming on the market called whip.it. So I'm going to try whip.it on a white love seat that I just purchased. It's dingy. It's not second hand per se, except that it was a floor model at a store in my area. And as you can see, there's some grungy marks, some stains, at least some dirt, and some grimy looking areas that really need to get off the couch if I'm to use it for any worthwhile purpose. So went walking through Walmart. This young man was giving a demonstration of this new plant-based cleaner that Walmart is going to soon start shelving. And so I thought that I would give it a try. Now, this love seat was regularly priced at about $1,200, but of course I did not pay that for it. Nowhere near that, as a matter of fact. So I thought it was an awesome deal. So I started to clean with the product, and unbeknownst to me, I was thoroughly surprised and very well pleased with how much dirt and grime was removed, how much stains were removed. And after the first pass, I had to rinse my towel out several times. And as you can see, I have a couple towels here. They're terry cloth towels, and I'm just spraying on a solution that is 1 part water and 1 part whip.it solution. When I purchased it from Walmart, it is in a concentrated form, and the young man did explain that depending on what I was working with, I may need to have a more potent solution whenever I'm working with cleaning stains or what have you. But this couch, after the first pass of the solution in a 1-to-1 ratio, did very well with that strength, so I never adjusted it. I just kept cleaning with it like that, and I was very well pleased with what I came out with. All of the dirt came out, though it did take some elbow grease, as you can see here. I didn't mind. I went on to continue to spring clean. After I saw the results of the white soap, I was like, if this thing could get dirt and all this stuff off of this white couch. I even did the pillows, and I don't think I shared that footage with you guys, but I went on to spring clean my cabinets. I emptied all of my cabinets out, sprayed the whip.it solution down, allowed it just to sit for like a few seconds or so, and then I went ahead and wiped everything out, giving everything a nice clean. The smell of the solution is very pleasant. It's a hint of citrus. You can vaguely smell it, and I really like that, so it wasn't overpowering, so to speak. But after I cleaned out my cabinets, I went around and I cleaned out all of my drawers. It didn't take any effort at all. I had some help, and I was able to get not only my cabinets done and my drawers done, I also got the pots out, and I wiped everything down. The solution is a winner in my book. I will be doing next my spice drawer and my cake decorating drawer. Those are the only two that I can remember that did not get done, but all of these that I'm displaying to you now, these were done, and I've replaced everything where it should go. But I did want to tell you guys that this solution is safe enough for me to use in my kitchen, and I know it's safe enough for you to use in your kitchen. It's a plant-based solution, concentrated. If it's not in a Walmart near you, then go to their website. Check it out in the description box below. See you later.